decided to come with Examit app, whereby this will give students, primary school students, enough tests and exams that will boost their knowledge to helping them attempt and do better the exams.
It helped most of the pupils to use the phones of their parent or theirs by doing calculation or answering and getting the solution by not forgetting what their teachers have been teaching them for the first 3 months.
He's been taking online courses. Most of them are free, but some of them we have to pay. The cost is not that much, so anyone can afford. So mostly we've been encouraging him, giving him support, and make sure that he doesn't lose focus on what he loves.